Durga from First MSc Microbiology from Sacred College. Today we are going to see about bacteriophage. Bacteriophage or a phage is a virus that infects and replicates only within the body of bacteria. Bacteriophage were discovered independently by Frederick W. Todd in UK and Felix D. Early in France. The term bacteriophage has been derived from two words, bacteria and phage, meaning devour. The term was coined by Felix D. Early. All bacteriophages consist of nucleic acid genome, which is enclosed inside a shell of page-encoded capsid proteins. Mechanism of bacteriophage: first attach to the host cell, then enter the genome into the host cell to suspend the host cellular machinery. Structure of bacteriophage: bacteriophage consists of core of nuclear material surrounded by protein capsid. Bacteriophage exists in three basic structural forms: icosahedral egg with tail, icosahedral egg without tail, filamentous form. The genetic material or nuclear material of bacteriophage can be either be DNA or RNA or both. Types or model of bacteriophage. First type is lambda phage. It is also called as polyphage lambda. It is a bacteriophage that infects the bacteria belonging to the member of bacterial species E. coli. It was discovered by Esther Lederberg in 1951 in US during her studies on E. coli under ultraviolet irradiation. It is belonging to the family of Cypoviridae. It is belonging to the order of Cladoviridae. The structure of phage particle consists of protein head or capsid, a non-contractile tail, and tail fibers. Viral genome is present inside the capsid of virus. The non-contractile tail of virus indicates that the virus cannot force into the cell membrane of bacteria and must depend on the existing pathway to invade the host cell. Next type is T4 phage. The T4 virus is a bacteriophage that infects the member of bacterial species E. coli and thus is also known as E. coli virus T4. It was discovered by Dalberg and co-workers in 1944 as model to study different mechanism of phage community. It is belonging to the family of Mycoviridae. It is belonging to the order of Cladoviridae. The structure of bacteriophage T4 consists of protein capsid called 8, which consists of linear double-stranded DNA molecule. There are 6 short tail fibers emerging from base plate that can recognize receptor molecule on the host surface. Life cycle of bacteriophage. First is lytic cycle. The viral DNA remains a free-floating molecule and replicates separately from bacterial DNA. The lytic cycle usually occurs in virulent phage. The lytic cycle is a virulent infection as it results in the destruction of cell. Steps of lytic cycle. First is attachment. Phage attached to the surface of host. Next is penetration. The viral DNA enters the host cell. Next, biosynthesis. Phage DNA replicates and phage proteins are made. Next, maturation. New phage particles are assembled. Next, lysis. The cell lyses releasing the newly made phage. Next, lysogenic cycle. The incorporation of bacteriophage genome into the host genome. During the lysogenic life cycle, the host bacteria continue to live and reproduce normally after the replication of bacteriophage. The genetic material of bacteriophage incorporated in the bacterial DNA during lysogenic life cycle is called prophage, which can be transmitted to daughter cell during bacterial cell division. It is temperate and non-virulent infection as the bacteriophage doesn't kill the host cell. Of lysogenic life cycle. First attachment, next penetration, next replication. Replication of bacteriophage. In food isogenic unsafety, they are used to control and eliminating bacterial contaminants from food surface and foodborne spoilage. They are highly specific, which make them attractive for sanitization of ready-to-eat food like milk, vegetable and meat products. Next, in agriculture, they are used for treatment and prevention of bacterial disease in plants. Limitation or challenges of bacteriophage. They are difficult to study without appropriate microscope and other equipments. They are limited due to perception of bacteriophage as human virus that might result in viral infection in human. Thank you.